Today, we're diving into the TP-Link UB500 V2 Bluetooth 5.3 adapter. Let's start with what you get right out of the box. The packaging is super compact and straightforward, which makes sense for such a small device. Inside, you'll find the adapter itself. It's tiny, about the size of your thumbnail, with a sleek black design that blends right into any setup. Alongside it, you get a quick start guide, which is pretty basic but helpful for anyone new to these kinds of devices. That's it. No unnecessary fluff, just what you need. Now, let's talk about the design and build. The UB500 V2 is as compact as they come, so once you plug it into your laptop or PC, you can pretty much forget it's there. Let me show you how to get the drivers for this thing. Head over to the TP-Link website, go to the support section, and search for the UB500 V2. Download the latest drivers for your operating system, run the installer, and you're good to go. Once the drivers are installed, pairing your devices becomes a breeze. A pair of TWS earphones and a gamepad to see how it performs. I'll hold one of the TWS earbuds up to my camera's mic to check if there's any noticeable audio delay.
Just all of the bad things. It's the stuff that makes you get kind of existential about it. So with all of that very positive thinking, we set forth to actively try and hunt for good ones. This required effort. There are fewer good pre-built PCs than there are bad ones. This is the Corsair One i500. It's terrible. So, we set forth onto the market to try and pick something that we thought would review positively, and we found this.
Moving on to the gamepad, I tested it with a few games, and the connection was rock solid, even during fast-paced action. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, you get improved connection stability and better energy efficiency, which means your wireless devices last longer on a single charge. That's all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to test this adapter with a specific device.